Think about the exact life that you want to live. Who are you around? What do you look like? How do you dress? How much money do you have? How are you respected? Does your family respect you? Do they look up to you? Do people look up to you? Do people revere you? Do they talk about it? Think about the best of the best that you could possibly have in all of these categories. Visualize it. Take a second and actually visualize it. And then picture it being wiped away, stripped bit by bit because you lacked focus. Focus is the key to success in any realm of human endeavor. So many dreams die in the graveyard. So many people never, ever even reach 10% of their potential just because they lacked focus. You see, when you choose to focus on a worthy pursuit and a worthy ideal, what happens is you get extremely wealthy long term. You are respected. You can live the life that you want to live, and you also are tapping into the majority of your potential. Why would I live my life not knowing how far I could have gone? Why would I live my life hoping and thinking and praying for more, but I can't because I cannot focus on what it is that I'm supposed to focus on to get to the next level? You see, and this doesn't just mean focus for one day or 2 days or a couple hours. You need inherent focus if you want to do anything great with your life. If you want to live an extraordinary life, you cannot have unextraordinary habits. And this is what most people have. You see, most people want to live extraordinary lives. Most people want to live opulent lifestyles. Most people want to have an amazing, profitable, booming business, but no one wants to have the focus that it's going to take to actually do this. And I see this all the time. I see people that are like, yeah, I want to be great. I want. And then they're talking about a basketball camp, or they're drinking on the weekends, or you're getting invited to this place and that place and you want to feel cool, so you go. It takes focus. Focus on the skills it is going to take to build your wealth. There's so many people that are just wasting their time, drifting through life, making bad decision after bad decision because they have no focus and no drive on where they actually want to go. If you don't have focus and drive and determination for where you want to go, how are you going to get there? You say that you want to make a lot of money. Yes, you say you want to be successful. Yes, you say all these things, but you don't actually do it. You don't actually put the work in that it's going to take to get there. If you can't sit and focus on learning that skill for a few hours at a time, what makes you think you're going to make the money? If you can't sit through that uncomfortable feeling of not immediately getting it, what makes you think you're going to get it? It's not going to happen. And so you have to be able to sit and avoid this immediate feeling of gratification. You don't always need immediate gratification. And sometimes delayed gratification is the best thing that you can have. The fact that you stayed through the process, you learned the skill of making the money. You learned how to get really good at talking to someone over the phone. You learned how to improve your oration skills. You learned these things. You became so good at it that it made you millions of dollars. This is what I did. I avoided the immediate gratification. I had the embarrassment of getting on the phone time and time again. Do you know how much focus it takes to sit there when everyone is partying and doing this and doing that? I see all of these things, but you know what I do? I turn it off. So I was a ghost on social media for a couple years. I didn't go on social media. I didn't worry about what other people were doing. I focused on me. I focused on what I was doing. And until you have this focus on yourself, until you build yourself to just only care about you and what you're doing in your path, then everything else is going to seem like it's necessary to you, and it's not. The only thing that matters is self-preservation, and most people do not realize this. You must take care of yourself. You must put the oxygen mask on yourself before you put it on other people. You have to do that. If you don't do that, if you can't stay through a season of focus, you will have an ordinary life. You keep sacrificing your time for people that do not care about you. You keep sacrificing your time for something that will always be there. You have to go through this period of focus. Laser focus is the key to any success, any win. The other thing too is when you start your journey of being inherently focused and then something happens to take you off that focus, what do? Do you quit? Do you allow something else to distract you? What do? Here's the other thing too. When you set the goal for yourself, you must understand, okay, what is it? Like, what exactly do I want? What exactly do I want? Because if you don't know what you want, you're going to get off kilter. You will. You'll let things distract you. You'll let that party distract you. You'll let that new movie distract you. You'll let these things distract you. Once you get to the other side of it, once you get to where you want to go, you can do all these things. You can enjoy your life. But I had a period of time where I did not enjoy what was going on. I didn't. It was painful. It took time. It took solving a lot of problems. It took late nights. It took early mornings. It took a lot of sacrifice. It took a lot of studying. It took being told, there's no way you're going to do that. And you know what's funny? I stayed so quiet about my wealth building journey that once I actually started to spend a little bit of money, have a little bit of fun, people around me would be like, oh, you're not ready. But you don't know that I've been doing this for years. And so that's the other thing. You don't have to let everyone know what you're doing. You don't have to let everyone know. You don't need validation from other people. Get the validation from yourself and know that I did the work required to get to where I want to go. And now I'm here. There's a version of your life that's waiting to be lived that you can live. The exact version that you visualize in the beginning of this video, the exact prominence that you have, the same life, the travel, everything that you want for yourself, the exact person that you want for yourself. That person is on the other side of inherent focus on a worthy ideal. But can you get to the other side with the focus? Most people cannot, which is why most people are haters. Most people are disgruntled. Most people don't know how to make connections. Most people don't know how to speak. Most people do not know how to make money outside of a 9-to-5 job. Most people have no skills. They settle for ordinary, regular, boring lives where they have no choice. Whether it's this or that, you don't have any choice. You chose to live an ordinary life. You chose to be an ordinary person. Why would you choose to be an ordinary person? Why would you choose to be an ordinary man when you can be extraordinary, when you can be powerful, when you can have unlimited resources because you've mastered a skill? There's no reason for this. There's no reason for laziness. There's no reason for lack of focus. There's no reason not to have every single thing that you ever wanted to have. It is possible for you, but it takes focus. If you just simply focus on the task at hand, if you just simply focus on making your sales skills better, making your negotiation skills better, learning how to craft solutions to people's problems, learning what are the most common problems in any given marketplace. If you simply just apply this, you apply these principles to your life and you focus on nothing but those things, then you will have everything that you ever wanted to have. Because the thing about the marketplace always responds to value. So because the marketplace always responds to value, I always have to be able to give value, but I can't give value if I have no skills, and I can't have skills if I don't focus. Once you learn you learn these principles, then you're going to be able to have an extraordinary life. Extraordinary, beyond your wildest dreams. People that you knew from other parts of your life will look at you like, how did you do that? How did you become this? How are you this powerful? How can you spend money like it means nothing to you? Because I focused. Why is it that $100,000 to you is basically $10 to me? Because I focused. How come you can take your whole family anywhere around the world, anywhere you want to go? Because I focused. Why is it that you have a chef, you have a maid, you can live anywhere you want to live, you can do anything you want to do? Why? Because I focus. How come you can drive any kind of car you want? Because I focus. How come all these things? Because I focus. How come you're so respected? How come you're so revered? How come people talk about you in such high levels and high lights? Because I focused. How come people want to connect with you? How come everyone wants to be around you? Because I focused on the skills that it took to make myself valuable to the marketplace. I want you to be extraordinary. I want you to be amazing. I want you to be great, because you are. But you must understand that all of those things are on the other side of inherent focus.